Before you spend 5 grand on a pre-built system, watch this. Today I'm building a workstation class PC that's going to crush 4K video editing and high complexity 3D workloads. And I'm doing it piece by piece, exactly the way I want it. In today's video I'm building my personal editing and 3D workstation. A system I've carefully planned out to deliver top tier performance without wasting a single cent. This build is all about raw power, smart component pairing and long-term reliability. No compromises. Let's start at the heart of this build. We are using the Machinist X99 MD8, a surprisingly feature-rich X99 board that supports some of the most powerful CPUs Intel ever released for LJ 2011-3 socket. With support for quad-channel memory, a full-size ATX layout, reinforced PCIe slots, and a solid VRAM cooling, this board sets the tone for a serious workstation. I choose this board because of its balance between compatibility, performance, and rock-solid stability, crucial for long rendering sessions or 3D simulations. Now this is a beast. The E5 2697 V4 packs 18 physical cores and 36 threads. And no, that's not a typo. This chip was built for data centers and high-performance computing. And today, it's going into my editing machine. Turbo speeds up to 3.6 GHz and 45 megabytes of cache make it a monster for multitasking, encoding, 3D rendering, and video timelines that stretch for miles. Wherever I'm scribing to the heavy DaVinci Resolve project like this video or stimulating real-life particle physics in Blender, this CPU won't flinch. This is just the beginning, a single stick to get us running, but this platform supports up to 128 GB of RAM across 4 channels, so upgrades down the line, easy, and even now 16 GB is enough to start editing full HD projects smoothly. You'll notice this isn't the final cooling solution. This cooler is just here for testing and Intel setup. A more serious tower cooler or even liquid cooling is on the way, but for now let's get this beast power on. So, I connected all the cables. 24-pin motherboard power, 8-pin CPU, front panel headers, SSD, fan connections, even that beefy GPU slotted in perfectly. At this point everything looks perfect. But when I press the power button, nothing. Not even a fan spin, no LEDs, no signs of life. Now this wasn't part of the plan. Okay, now we are back. Just to be sure, I fire up DaVinci and give it as a quick stress test. Smooth playback, no issues. The build survived the test, but we are not done yet. Now it's finally time to put it in the case and make this setup look clean. Don't miss the next part, it's all about to get beautiful. So, a giant package show up at the door. The biggest one so far. And yeah, I already knew what it was. The heart of every build. The case. So, now let's unbox it. Yeah, I'm gonna put some music so it isn't that boring. Guys, I think it's time to change the music. Guys, I hope you enjoy my music taste. Now, let's go finish the build. Cable management is something I take seriously. I even have a saying: if side panel closes without a fight, the cable management is perfect. And today it's barely closed, which means it's perfect. Everything locked in, every connector triple checked, and now the moment of truth. Did it turn on? Yes, everything lit up like it was alive. Wait, we are not done yet. This was just part 1 of the journey. In part 2, I'm dropping one of the most insane upgrades I ever done. It literally cost me more than the whole PC. We are talking new fans, setup glow up, performance boost, and honestly it might just blow your mind. So if you're not subscribed yet, what you're doing, hit that button so you don't miss it. See you in the next one.